Hey, what's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox the brand newly launched Apple iPad 9 generation. This is Apple's entry-level iPad for the entire lineup and the most affordable as well, which is equipped with some brand new features this time around. So let's have a look. As you can see, the iPad comes in a white colored box with the Apple branding on the both sides, and on the back we find the storage variant, which is 64 GB in my case, and the company information. Opening up the box, we get the iPad itself, which is wrapped in a paper wrapping this time around. Some leaflets and the Apple stickers, lightning cable and a 20-watt power adapter. Coming back to the iPad now, I got this in a space grey color, which looks very nice, but is also available in the silver as well. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So now just to give you a physical overview, the iPad 9 generation comes with a 10.2-inch Retina IPS LCD display, which is protected with a scratch-resistant glass. Then we have a 12-megapixel f2.4 aperture camera, and down below we have a Touch ID. The aluminum back is kept clean with just an Apple logo and an 8-megapixel f2.4 aperture camera at the back. On the right hand side we have the volume buttons, whereas on the left we have the magnetic connector for the accessories. The top houses the power button, a noise cancellation microphone and a headphone jack, while the bottom we have the speakers and a lightning port. As for the internals, the iPad 9 Gen is equipped with the A13 bionic SoC coupled with either 64 GB or 256 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. It comes with both Wi-Fi and LTE versions as well. This all runs on iPad OS 15, and powering all this is a 8557 mAh battery. Coming to the iPad now, I have got the 64 GB Wi-Fi variant, which is a base variant now compared to the 32 GB for the iPad 8 Gen. It has got a similar form factor as the previous variant, so nothing has changed in terms of the design. What is changed though is the processor, which is the A13 Bionic now, which company claims to be 20% faster. It also comes with a true tone display this time, which will adjust the color temperature to your surroundings, which I feel looks good. What is also upgraded is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which will basically detect the number of people in the frame and it will try to keep you in the center of the frame during FaceTime calls, etc. Besides this, it also comes with iPad OS 15, which has some brand new home screen designs with integrated widgets and the app library, the new tools to detect or to reduce distractions, the redesigned Safari, etc. Besides these, it has mostly the same functions and features as the previous iPads. As for the pricing, the Wi-Fi variant starts at around 30,990 and the LTE version will cost you 42,990. So as for my first impressions, it looks very solid for what you are paying for. I will test this iPad even further, and kindly stay tuned for more videos on the iPad 9 Gen, which will be dropping very soon on the channel. So guys, that's it for the unboxing and the first impression of the iPad 9 Gen. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel if you all haven't, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.